Transform your product promotion into viral, user-generated content with the power of AI. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to leverage AI to create compelling UGC ads efficiently and effectively, making your products irresistible. Step 1. We'll start with AI-powered scriptwriting. Think of an AI tool as your creative partner and input your product's key benefits, target audience, and desired tone. Why casual, enthusiastic, informative, you name it. The AI will generate multiple script options, complete with engaging hooks and clear calls to action. Review and refine these until you have a script that perfectly captures the essence of your product promotion and resonates with your audience. Next, we move to AI-driven video editing. Many AI editing platforms can analyze your script and automatically suggest or even assemble video clips based on keywords and sentiment. You can upload your own footage or utilize AI-generated stock footage. Don't have access to real customer videos right away? AI can even help create realistic UGC-style clips by animating product mockups or generating fictional user interactions. Focus on the creative direction and let the AI handle the technical heavy lifting. Now, let's add that authentic voiceover generators are incredibly sophisticated. Simply paste your finalized script, choose a voice that matches your brand's personality, whether it's friendly, energetic, or authoritative, and the AI will produce a high-quality voiceover in minutes. The result, a polished, persuasive UGC ad that feels genuine and relatable, driving engagement and boosting your product's appeal. You've just created a powerful promotional tool using the efficiency of AI. Ready to boost your brand? Start experimenting with AI for your UGC product videos today and watch your promotion soar.